Solvr AI is a powerful new tool that's just been released, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know about it before diving in. If you're someone looking for cutting-edge AI software that can help automate tasks and improve your digital marketing strategies, this review will give you all the details. First off, Solvr AI is an all-in-one software designed to streamline and automate complex processes that businesses and marketers deal with daily. Whether it's automating customer communication, simplifying data analysis, or optimizing workflows, Solvr AI handles it all. But what makes it stand out from the hundreds of other AI tools on the market? You can try Solvr AI completely for free, and I'll leave a link to that in the description below, so stick around for that. The first thing you should know about Solvr AI is how easily it integrates into your existing workflows. It's built with both beginners and advanced users in mind. You don't have to be a tech expert to get started. The software offers an intuitive interface that requires little to no learning curve, allowing you to focus on what really matters: getting results. Another standout feature is its ability to automate tasks that usually take hours, like generating reports or responding to customer queries. Solvr AI can significantly reduce the time you spend on repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on high-value activities. This is especially useful for digital marketers and businesses looking to optimize their daily operations without hiring a ton of extra staff. In addition, Solvr AI's data analysis capabilities are top-notch. It takes raw data and turns it into actionable insights, which you can use to make informed decisions. This is critical when it comes to refining your marketing strategies, as it helps you understand exactly what's working and what's not. It's like having an expert analyst on your team without the overhead costs. What really sets Solvr AI apart is its adaptability. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. You can tailor it to meet the specific needs of your business. Whether you need it for lead generation, customer service automation, or project management, Solvr AI can be customized to fit seamlessly into whatever you're working on. And let's talk about its performance. Solvr AI is fast, reliable, and highly responsive. It's designed to handle large volumes of data and queries, ensuring that your business stays on top of things even during peak demand periods. Whether you're running a small business or a larger enterprise, this software scales with you, making it a great long-term investment. One of the most impressive things about Solvr AI is its customer support. The team behind it is incredibly responsive and always ready to help you troubleshoot any issues. Plus, they regularly update the software based on user feedback, so you know it's constantly evolving to meet the demands of the market. Lastly, one of the best things about Solvr AI is how it allows you to access advanced AI features without breaking the bank. Many AI tools on the market charge premium prices for similar features, but Solvr AI offers an affordable pricing structure with a free trial, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. So, to recap, Solvr AI is an easy-to-use, highly adaptable, and efficient tool that can revolutionize the way you manage your business. Its automation, data analysis, and scalability make it a game changer, especially for those in digital marketing. If you're looking for an AI solution that gives you the most bang for your buck, Solvr AI is worth checking out. If you're interested, you can try Solvr AI for free using the first link in the description below. And after trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've included some of my other recommended AI software in the description as well. These are tools I personally trust and use for my own business operations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my recommended AI software. You won't want to miss what's coming up next.